Welcome to our video on budget-friendly hacks to make your home look expensive. Are you looking to elevate your living space without breaking the bank? In today's episode, we'll explore creative tips and tricks that can transform your home's aesthetic and make it feel luxurious on any budget. From incorporating fresh flowers to selecting the perfect lighting, we'll guide you through simple yet effective ways to achieve that high-end look you crave, all while staying wallet-friendly. Let's dive in and start transforming your home today. 1. Use fresh flowers or greenery. There's something inherently luxurious about fresh flowers or greenery in a room. They breathe life into any space and add a refreshing touch of nature. You don't need exotic blooms to achieve this effect. Even simple flowers like daisies or houseplants such as ferns can elevate your home's aesthetic. Placing them in vintage-style vases or even repurposed glass jars can provide a chic, elegant look. Imagine walking into a room where a bouquet of eucalyptus greets you with its soothing aroma. It's a small detail, but it makes a significant impact, turning an ordinary space into an extraordinary one. 2. Add a statement mirror. A statement mirror can be a game-changer in home decor. Not only does it make a room appear larger by reflecting light, but it also adds a touch of sophistication. When selecting a mirror, look for ones with intricate or bold frames in gold, silver, or black. These finishes can elevate the room's aesthetic without costing an arm and a leg. A well-placed mirror can mimic the grandeur of a high-end hotel lobby, turning an otherwise simple room into something spectacular. It's like magic. The room feels bigger, brighter, and more refined with just one piece. 3. Focus on lighting. Lighting is one of the most crucial elements in setting the tone of a room. A stylish light fixture can completely transform the ambiance. Whether you choose chandeliers for a touch of elegance, pendant lights for a modern vibe, or sconces for a cozy feel, the right lighting can make a world of difference. Even budget-friendly options from popular stores like IKEA or Target can mimic the look of high-end designs. Picture a warm, golden glow illuminating your living room, casting soft shadows and highlighting the textures of your decor. It's like setting the stage for an evening of luxury, all through the power of light. 4. Reupholster furniture. Give your old furniture a new lease on life by reupholstering it. This simple hack can breathe luxury into your home without the hefty price tag of buying new pieces. Choose rich, durable fabrics like velvet, linen, or even faux leather to update your couches or chairs. Imagine sinking into a velvety armchair that feels plush and inviting, a far cry from its previous, worn-out state. Reupholstering not only saves money but also allows you to customize your furniture to fit your personal style and the overall decor of your home. 5. Mix high and low-end pieces. Creating a curated, stylish space often involves mixing high-end items with more affordable finds. This blend adds character and depth to your home. Consider pairing a designer lamp with a budget-friendly side table or an exquisite artwork with inexpensive vases and candles. This approach ensures that your space feels unique and personal, like an artful collage of different stories and styles. It's a balancing act that, when done well, makes every piece feel intentional and every corner of your home look thoughtfully designed. 6. Invest in a quality rug. A quality area rug can anchor a room and significantly elevate its appearance. You don't need to splurge on designer rugs to achieve this effect. Look for affordable options made from luxurious materials like wool or faux silk, which mimic the look and feel of high-end designs. A beautiful rug not only adds warmth and texture to a room but also ties the decor together, creating a cohesive and inviting space. Imagine walking barefoot on a soft, plush rug that feels indulgent yet fits perfectly within your budget. 7. Paint, trim, and doors. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders in transforming your home's appearance. Focus on painting trim, doors, and baseboards to give them a sleek, modern look. Consider using high gloss or satin finishes for doors to add a touch of elegance. Painting your trim white or a soft neutral tone makes the spaces appear cleaner and more polished. It's like giving your home a facelift, refreshing its look and feel without the need for extensive renovations. This simple change can have a profound impact, making your home feel new and luxurious. 8. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a fantastic way to add personality and style to your home. Use affordable art prints, family photos, or DIY canvas prints to create a cohesive display. Choose minimalist frames in gold or black to add a touch of class without the hefty price tag of original artwork. Imagine a wall adorned with memories and art, each piece telling its own story yet coming together to form a beautiful tapestry. A gallery wall not only enhances the aesthetic of your home but also adds a personal touch that makes the space truly yours. 9. Use luxe fabrics for throw pillows and curtains. Incorporating luxurious fabrics into your decor can instantly make your home feel more upscale. Opt for inexpensive throw pillows and curtains made from velvet, silk, or linen. Mixing and matching textures and colors can add depth and richness to your furniture and windows. Consider curtains that reach the floor and are hung high to give the illusion of larger windows. It's a simple trick that creates a sense of grandeur and elegance, making your home feel like a sophisticated retreat. 10. Keep the space organized and clutter-free. A clutter-free home automatically exudes luxury and sophistication. Invest in stylish storage solutions like baskets, storage ottomans, or wall-mounted shelves to keep things neat and organized. A clean, well-organized space not only looks better but also feels more inviting and relaxing. Imagine walking into a room where everything has its place, and there's a sense of order and calm. It's the hallmark of a luxurious home, achieved through the simple act of decluttering and organizing.